Hi, I'm Jeremy Feets, a partner here at TheLawFirm.com. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you took Valsartan and later got diagnosed with cancer, or perhaps this applies to a loved one. We're sorry that happened to you. You may have learned by now that a large portion of the Valsartan sold in the United States between 2013 and 2018 was contaminated with a poison known as NDMA, nitrosodimethylamine. The link between NDMA and certain types of cancers is very clear. If you want to learn more specifics about the link between NDMA and cancer, we have another video on that issue. So how did this happen? It's frighteningly simple. The Chinese manufacturer of your medicine failed to test for this poison that occurs during the manufacturing process. This means that the medicine that you relied on to control your high blood pressure may have been giving you cancer for years. Most people didn't even know that their medicine was made in a factory in China thousands of miles away. Weihai Pharmaceuticals is one of China's largest pharmaceutical manufacturing companies, and they had the ability to produce safe medicines. But they apparently cared more about profits than about poisoning Americans and doing the simple tests that could have been done to prevent it. So what can you do about it now? First and foremost, take care of your health. And when you're ready to hold Weihai Pharmaceuticals and their distributors accountable for what they did to you and your family, that's where we come in. We will file a lawsuit against them for your cancer. This is not a class action. Your damages are unique and your claim is individual. With this kind of a case, you retain control over decisions about whether to settle your case when the time comes. Even though it's not a class action, it's not like your routine personal injury case either, because there will likely be many hundreds, if not thousands of cases. The claims will likely be grouped together before one judge who will manage them. This process is called a multi-district litigation, and it is typically how these kinds of cases are handled. Also, you need to know these cases will most likely settle without you ever going to court. In 99% of qualified cases, we can get everything we need from you over the phone and through the mail. People in your situation also often wonder how much will a lawsuit cost. There is no fee unless and until we win for you. We will never ask you to send us money, ever. We also do not sue or make any claims against your doctors. We believe that the doctors are the victims of the greedy pharmaceutical company as well. In fact, we expect your doctor to be as outraged as we are that the companies trusted to make medicine and distribute medicine in the United States have poisoned millions of hardworking Americans. There are several law firms handling cases, so why choose us? Experience, success, and personal attention. I have a master's degree in health law and have been handling defective drug cases for 20 years. Members of our firm, both lawyers and staff, have been working in this area of law for decades, and we have successfully represented people all over the country who have been the victims of the greedy drug companies. We have the experience and the track record you want on your side, and we're also easy to talk to. My staff and I could do any kind of law we want. We chose this fight because we believe in helping people like you get some justice. We're always honored to be chosen to be your voice and stand up for you to the corporations that hurt you and your family. Give us a call. You'll notice the difference between us and other firms from the very first phone call. I know you didn't take your medicine hoping for a lawsuit. The makers of your medicine betrayed your trust. They betrayed your doctor's trust and the trust of hundreds of thousands of Americans. But if you don't stand up, what does that tell them? What does that tell the corporations that didn't care enough to test their medicine for poison? Stand up. We'll stand with you. Call us now for a free evaluation. Thank you.